I saw this bird. I don't know what kind it is. But I'm gonna let it go as soon as I catch it.
They're gonna bite us.
No, they're not. Here, they're just hungry. Look, here, Emma.
No.
The thing is flying and it flaps its wings every time you jump.
Every time I catch a fish, here comes this crank. And he taking my fish rod in the water. Look at that, y'all. Where they do that at? Oh!
So somebody wants in. There's a beach from back there. Oh my goodness! Look at the chickens. They love to eat worms. Only it's a shoelace.
Yeah, I'm thinking that the owl decoy isn't working.
Stop biting my hair and my earring. Ow. You just spit my earring out. Spit it out. Spit my earring out. What are you doing?
I don't know, just something is telling me that the owl isn't keeping the birds away. Oh, it's like a ride. Well, at least he's enjoying himself.
It's a sleeping bird. I could just literally like grab him right now. Let's see if he'll let me rub him. If he'll let me pet his head. Is he like sick or something? I'm scared. Oh my God. I have never like petted like a wild bird. A bird, period.